during this period and during the last 18 months, I can honestly say that it is the simple things in life and the quality that one has in staying at home. I used to travel quite considerably a lot with my job, and I used to be travelling all over Wales and beyond, and even internationally. I used to travel quite a lot. But actually my connection with the worldwide church has been far more positive and far more productive than it's ever been, and especially with countries like Myanmar, Northeast India, and also with Madagascar. And I'm just thinking, with those connections, that's, you know, we've been able to walk humbly with each other. But certainly, looking back, it's the spiritual aspect of life, and actually having that time to be involved in prayer groups and Bible studies, and actually being in fellowship with people is certainly something that I have appreciated personally. But also, I think my awareness, I've been woken up to injustice in our world, and certainly to stand with people in those circumstances. It's been a real honour to do that, and we have been, I think we've been enlightened more of the injustice in our world, and especially when we think of vaccination worldwide and so on, and the battle that there's been worldwide. But certainly I would like to think that my selfishness has been highlighted during this time, and therefore that's you know, that's just by staying in God's peace and in His love is the only way for the future. So the next period, what will I take with me? Well, certainly I think the whole business of travelling and, you know, all the mileage that one can do from one year to the other, that will certainly have to stay, and actually doing things over Zoom or whatever other means will certainly be something. So first of all, staying home more, and then secondly, I think I would say staying in God's Word, and that's being in a personal devotion, in small groups, Bible studies and prayer meetings. It's a good place to be. So staying at home and staying in God's Word.